Hello everyone, welcome to this very first tutorial of learning Tableau. For this tutorial I am using Tableau version 10.2. I am currently using Tableau Desktop Edition. You can have Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public Edition. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to connect to a file. Then as we move on we'll look at other things also, so let's get started. So first I'll open the Tableau software, I'll double click on it, and as you can see here it is showing Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. Now as you can see there are lots of options here. We'll start with this one. As you can see, file, it is showing new. As you want to create a new workbook, you can click on new. If you already have saved one, you can open it with this one. If you want to hide this start page, then you can click on here, repository location. If you want to check the data where you have saved the data, that is what repository location is. If you want to exit the Tableau, you can click on exit. For data now, as we are not connected to any data, these options are disabled. We'll learn what these options are in the upcoming tutorials. As you can see, option server, in this few options are there. Sign in, like for those who are using Tableau public, so they cannot save the file on desktop or their system. They have to save the file on Tableau cloud. So that's the restriction of using Tableau public, as it is for free. So first you have to register and sign in to save there. We can also save as a Tableau desktop user, but that would be, the data would be public to the user. So we'll learn these options one by one as we move through the series. So in this one we'll learn how to connect to a file. As you can see there are lots of options here, so there are more options. We'll learn one by one. So in this one we'll just look at how to connect to a file. For this one I am using an Excel file. So to connect or to open a file, I'll click on Excel. So it will ask me where the file is. So as you can see there are lots of files here. I'll be using sample superstore sales. For this one I'll click here and click on open. So it will load the data onto Tableau desktop. Now as we can see the data is loaded, and in that one three options are, it is showing order, returns and users. So we can drag the sheets here. 3 sheets are there in this Excel file, so we can drag it one by one. To drag it you just have to click here and drag it here. So it will take some time to load that data. So as you can see the data is loaded. It shows row ID, order date and so on. So in this one we have learned how to connect to a data or how to load a data into Tableau desktop. In next tutorial we will see how to add this other sheets with this one. So thank you guys for watching the tutorial. I hope you liked it.